threading the machine. Raise the needle by pressing the needle up-down button. Press the lockout key. Place a spool of thread on the spool pin and secure the spool with the spool holder. Hold the thread with both hands and pass it under the thread guide plate. Still holding the thread with your hand, draw the thread firmly around the corner and toward you along the channel. Pull the thread down along the right channel. Pull the thread up around the thread guide plate and along the left channel. Slip the thread into the eye of the take-up lever and pull it down along the left channel. Pass the thread through the lower thread guide from the right to the left. Pass the thread through the needle bar thread guide from the right and draw it to the left firmly. Pass the thread through the thread holder of the needle threader. Cut the thread with the thread cutter. Pull the needle threader knob down as far as it will go. Raise the threader slowly so a loop of the thread is pulled out through the needle eye. Pull the thread end through the needle eye. Press the lockout key to unlock the machine.